Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, leather seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, roof rails, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.